What if I told you the most powerful woman in the room is usually the one saying the least? And here's the scary part. According to Carl Jung, a woman who truly understands her mind doesn't just stand out. She threatens everyone around her. Most people think a high value or high vibe woman is someone who meditates, eats healthy, and stays positive. But Jung discovered something much deeper. He called it psychological integration. A woman who knows herself completely, both her light and her darkness. And today, I am going to show you three rare signs of this woman and why her presence makes people uncomfortable before she even speaks. Let's start with the first sign. She doesn't absorb other people's emotions or accusations. She reflects them. Most people don't realize this, but we live behind masks. Jung called this persona the version of ourselves we show the world just to accept it. We smile when we are angry, we agree when we don't, we hide who we really are. But this woman, she stopped performing because she realized something powerful. Pretending was slowly destroying her real self. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most people project their problems onto others. An insecure person calls others arrogant. A liar accuses others of lying. An angry person says everyone else has anger issues. That's called projection. But this woman has already faced her own dark side. So when someone tries to blame her, she doesn't argue, she doesn't defend. She simply stays calm and says, I hear what you are saying, but that's not me. And suddenly, people feel exposed because now they are forced to face themselves. The second sign, she knows how to say no without guilt. Jung said every woman has an inner masculine side. He called it the animus. This part gives her logic, clarity, strength, boundaries, but most women hide this side because society labels it as too aggressive, too cold, too much. So instead, they become people pleasers. But not this woman. She has balanced both sides of herself. She can be kind, but also firm. She can love you and still walk away from you. Imagine this. A woman finds out her partner betrayed her. Most people cry, beg, try to fix things, but this woman, she looks at the situation clearly and says, I deserve better, I am leaving, no drama. No explanation, no guilt, just truth. And that kind of energy, it scares people because she cannot be controlled, she cannot be manipulated, she cannot be guilt tripped. The third sign, she feels everything but absorbs nothing. Most people think being emotional or sensitive is a weakness, but Jung saw something different. There are two types of people, those who absorb emotion, those who transform them. An unhealed person walks into a room and immediately feels overwhelmed. But this woman, she walks into the same room and stays calm. Why? Because she has trained herself to separate what is mine and what is not mine. She can sit with someone in pain without drowning in it. She can face choose without losing control. She doesn't ignore emotions. She processes them. And because of that, her calm energy starts affecting others. She doesn't match choose. She stabilizes it. Now here's the hard truth. This kind of woman, she often walks alone at first, not because she is wrong, but because she has outgrown people. Friends call her different, family calls her selfish, partners call her too much, but in reality, she just stopped shrinking yourself to make others comfortable. And over time, something beautiful happens. She stops chasing validation. She stops proving her worth. She stops performing and instead she becomes. And when a woman truly becomes herself, she doesn't attract attention, she attracts alignment. So tell me in the comments, which one are you? The mirror, the boundary setter, or the emotional alchemist? And if you are on this journey, stay with it because you are not losing people. You are finding yourself. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.